Hi everybody, welcome to the ALD Community Engagement Project. This is Anthony Devine, your teacher librarian, and I'm here to walk you through one of the first things you have to do on this Google Slides presentation. Your teachers have probably pushed out something that looks like this, and if you go forward a little bit, you will see the overview of the steps that you need to take, and we're going to be filling in more information here about the challenge. But this slide is what I'm here to talk to you about. I want to show you how to go through all of these steps so that you can succeed here. First, you need to take a personality test at 16personalities.com. You can click here, and that will take you to the test. When you click to take the test, it's pretty quick. You're going to go through and respond to each statement. And if you really agree with the statement, you'll click over here. If you really disagree with the statement, you'll click over here. And if you're neutral and you're not sure, you can click in the middle. If you kind of agree, you can click over here. If you kind of disagree, you can click over here. The more you go this way, that means the more you agree. The more you go this way, that means the more you disagree. So carefully read these statements. This is about you. It's your personal test. It'll tell you your personality results when you're all done, and you'll use that to do the next steps. After you get to the bottom of a page, you're going to click Next to continue on to the next questions. All right, now that you've taken the test and you have your results, you might end up with a page that looks something like this. You've been given one of the personalities according to your test results, and there's some information about your personality type. You have to add a slide and put your name at the top. You need to put in a screenshot. You need to add scan for vocabulary. And you're going to end up with something that kind of looks like this. And what we've given you is a blank slide like this. So how do we go from this to this? The first step is to take a screenshot. So I'm going to go back to my page, and I want a screenshot of this image. And on a Chromebook, the screenshot will be the Control, Shift, and multi-window key. After you do that, you'll get these little crosshairs, and you'll be able to select a portion of the screen to take a picture of. After you have it selected, when you let go, that takes the picture. Then, on your slide, you can go to Insert, Image, Upload from Computer, and in a Chromebook, it'll be in your downloads. I'm not on a Chromebook, so my images go here. And as you can see, it's a little bit too big and it's not really where I want it, but you can change the size just by dragging the corner. And if the blank space that we've given you here doesn't work, you can just delete it. You can crop the image a little bit if you want. Resize it. All right, I'm also going to add my name here. And also, I want to have a link that takes me back to this page so I can look at it again later and other people can look at it if they want. So I'm going to copy the web address and I'm going to make this image a link. I'm going to click on the Insert Link button, paste the URL, and apply. Now when I click here, I can go to that page if I want. So first, I need to scan for vocabulary. That's what this box is for. So I'm going to read through my page, and when I come across a word that I don't know, I'm going to add it to this box and then give myself an easy definition later. And you can use the Learner's Dictionary. You can go online and look for definitions that work. You want to make sure that the definitions that you find are related to personality traits. Okay, I've got my scan for vocabulary, and I'm going to add these definitions later. And again, if you want to find easy definitions, you can go to the Learner's Dictionary and decide which one of the definitions best fits. Okay, Next, I need to add a quotation from my 16 personalities profile that I like. So I want to pick a quotation that I agree with or I think is really interesting about myself or about my personality type. So I'm going to go through here and find a quotation that I really like. I'll highlight it and then copy it. Okay, and once I have my quotation, I can add it here. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to put in a quotation mark, paste my quote, and there I've got my end quotation mark. And I think one more time I'm going to add a link to my personality type. And again, to make a link, you can highlight the thing you want to make into a link. I'm going to go to my personality page, copy the web address, click on the chain link, paste, apply. Now I've got a quotation and I have a link to my personality type. Now I can use, let's go back to the instructions. I can use what I have read on my personality page in order to do the next part. I need to rewrite using the sentence frames provided. I need to talk about what my results say about me. I need to explain what my results mean, what my personality type means. I need to describe some of my strengths. I need to describe some of my weaknesses. And I need to decide if I agree or disagree. So I need to finish these sentences. I'm not copying and pasting from here. I'm reading, and in my own words, I'm going to type here. Okay, now I have completed my slide. I've completed my slide about my personality type. I've gone from this kind of a slide, it's like a blank slide that is to guide me, to this slide. So I made a slide, I put my name at the top, I added a screenshot of my personality type, I scanned for vocabulary, I reread, and then I explained. So this video is meant to show you how to complete this task, number 2 here. You can see some of the teachers' slides by clicking on these links, and you can see their example. Their examples are not to copy and paste, they're just to help guide you so you can see what completed work looks like. And thank you very much for watching. This video was brought to you by books. Books. They are bigger on the inside. Have a great day, everybody.